possible?
I've not been impressed by the very disappointing outing on the part of the Independent National Electoral Commission. Nigerians had been assured
honestly
that we're going to have a credible election, a peaceful election, whereby votes will count. Regrettably, there was a full reign of thuggery. The thugs took over
too much.
in many places. There was a compromise on the part of the security forces. There was a compromise on the part of some INEC chiefs. There was impunity on the part of some governors. I do hope that we'll be able to draw sufficient lessons from the exercise. As our courts will say, there has been substantial compliance with the Electoral Act, because you could isolate where you have pockets of illegality, pockets of violence. I expect INEC to go back to the drawing table, review the management of the elections, the role of ad hoc staff, and ensure that all those who have been arrested by the police, by other security agencies for disrupting the election, for announcing fake results or for forging results, and for deliberately preventing people to vote, must be charged before the relevant courts as soon as possible, so that those who are going to manage the next election will know that it's not going to be business as usual,